Hello, this is Paul Reiber coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. And today we are looking at a gorgeous indigo blue 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE with an automatic rear entry, Freedom Motors converted, wheelchair accessible ramp. Just with the push of a button. Now this doesn't have a factory rear power hatch. However, with the Freedom Motors wheelchair accessible package, with a click of a button, the whole rear deploys. Pretty cool. This is just one of hundreds of vans we have in stock. We have trucks, vans, SUVs, you name it. We have a huge selection, hundreds of vehicles to choose from. Anything from a Chevy Suburban, Chevy Tahoe, GMC Yukon, Kia Souls, Toyota Siennas, Chrysler Pacificas, Dodge Grand Caravans. This one's brand spanking new, and the conversion is brand new as well. I don't even want to step on it. So beautiful, brand new. Bucket seats. So with the wheelchair occupant, you can fit five people in this vehicle. It's got rear air conditioning. Only has 7 miles. 7 miles. Brand spanking new. Sticker price, I believe, was around $30,000 on this one. MSRP. The window stickers still in the window. 28,640. 5-year, 60,000 limited warranty. 3-year, 36 bumper to bumper. 2018 Grand Caravan SE. Beautiful vehicle. Just one of hundreds of vehicles we have here at Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. If you're in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please visit our website. We have a huge selection. It's www.freedommotors.com. Also, please click on this page, our YouTube page, and subscribe. Let me show you how to close her back up just with the click of the button. Freedom Motors has been in business for over 30 years. We have been pioneers of the wheelchair accessible vehicles, and we've branched off and experimented and thinking outside of the box. We've come up with all sorts of cool different things. If you check out my YouTube page and our website, you can see we have Chevy Suburbans and Chevy Silverados with the entire side of the vehicle comes out. It's really cool. Check it out. If you're interested in a vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Again, this is Paul coming to you from Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.